Hi everyone, this is Abhay, and in this video I am going to tell you all that how you can download and install Black Myth Wukong into your Android device and how you can play it in your mobile phone. So stay with the video and let's get started. So first thing first, you have to download the installer file or the APK file from my website. So the website link is given in the description and in the top comment. So there you can find the link, or you can search on Google for Black Myth Wukong download for Android. And after downloading the installer file, you just have to enable installation from unwanted sources and unverified sources from the settings. And next, you have to open the installer, and after opening the installer you have to just install this app. After doing so, you are able to play the game and enjoy. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I will definitely reply.